What are forward contracts? What is the use of forward contract? Forward contracts are agreement between two parties to exchange two designated currencies at a specific time in the future. These contracts always take place on a date after the date when the spot contract settles. Forward contract is used to protect the buyer from fluctuations in the currency prices. What are operation guidelines on forward contracts? Or what are FEMA guidelines on forward contracts? Or we can also ask what are RBI's guidelines on forward contracts? So basically we understand this with a case. Mr. Arajit, an exporter, has approached to book forward contract to hedge his foreign currency exposure. Before booking forward contract, he wants to know operational guidelines regarding such a contract. Advise him FEMA or RBI guidelines in this regard. So the guidelines for forward contracts are as follows. Number 1, a person resident in India may enter into forward contract based on contracted exposure with an authorized dealer in India. The purpose of contract should be to hedge an exposure to exchange risk in respect of transaction for which sale purchase of foreign is permitted under FEMA. All resident individuals, firms and companies who have actual or anticipated foreign exposure can book foreign currency can book foreign exchange forward contract up to $1 million without any requirement of documentation on the basis of simple declaration. AD banks should satisfy themselves that the person booking forward contract understands the nature of risk inherent in booking forward contract. The bank should carry out due diligence regarding suitability of forward contract to such customer. The AD bank, through verification of documentary evidence, should satisfy about the genuineness of the underlying exposure. The maturity of the hedge does not exceed the maturity of the underlying transaction. The currency of hedge and tenor are left to the choice of the customer. Where the exact amount of the underlying transaction is not ascertainable, the contract is to be booked on the basis of a reasonable estimate. Foreign currency loan bonds will be eligible for hedge only after final approval is given by RBI in case approval is necessary. Balances in EEFC accounts sold forward by account holder shall remain earmarked for delivery such as contract shall not be cancelled. The details of underlying have to be recorded at the time of booking the contract. In case the customer has booked the contract without production of underlying document, he has to produce the underlying document within 15 days from the date of booking the contract. In case the documents are not submitted within this period, the contract may be cancelled. In case exchange gain or cancellation, if any, should not be passed on to the customer. In the event non-submission of documents by the customer within the above time period, one or than 3 more than 3 occasions in the financial years, booking in the future will be allowed only against production of underlying document. The details of underlying contract must be entered by AD in the system. Automatic cancellation of forward contract will be effected on the third working day after the maturity date. Loss on such cancellation is to be recovered from customer and gains on such cancellation will not be passed on the customer. The forward contract will be booked under stamped agreement signed the customer. What are the FEMA or RBI guidelines on booking a forward contract based on a past performance probable exposure? The limit for booking forward contract for exporter shall be average of previous 3 financial years actual export turnover or previous year's actual export turnover, whichever is higher. The limit for booking forward contract for importer shall be average of previous 3 financial years actual import turnover or the previous year's actual import turnover, whichever is higher. An undertaking will be taken from the customer that the supporting documentary evidence will be produced before the maturity of all the contracts booked. Importers or exporters should furnish a quarterly declaration to the bank duly certified by the statutory auditor regarding amounts booked with other AD banks under this facility. The past performance limits once utilized are not to be reinstated either or cancellation or on maturity of the contracts. Contracts booked up to 75% of eligible limits as mentioned above may be cancelled. These limits shall be computed separately from import-export transactions. For an exporter customer to be eligible for this facility, the aggregate overdue bill shall not exceed 10% of the turnover. The aggregate outstanding contract in excess of 50% of eligible limit may be permitted by AD banks on being satisfied about the genuine requirement of their customers after examination of a prescribed document signed by CFO or CS of the company. The document consists of a declaration that all guidelines have been adhered to and a certificate of import or export turnover of the customer during the past 3 years. What are the factors affecting the forward contract rate? The factors are demand and supply of currency, market expectations, and interest rate differentials between the currencies involved. What are future contracts? A future contract is a form of forward contract in that it conveys the right to purchase or sell a specified quantity of foreign currency at a fixed exchange rate on a specified future date. A future contract, the quantum of future currency. In future contracts, the quantum of future foreign currency and due date are standardized. Future contracts can be entered into only with financial future exchanges. Future contract may be defined as an agreement entered into with the specified future exchange or future exchange to buy or to sell a standard amount of foreign currency at a specified price for delivery on specified future date. The difference between forward contract and future contract. In terms of future exchanges, a forward contract can be entered with any bank. It has been termed an over and counter product. A future contract can be traded only to recognized future exchange. Size of contract is not standardized and it is in it is as per the need of the party entering into the contract. A future contract size of the contract is standardized. Example like 55,000 US dollar or 10,000 US dollar and likewise. The delivery date as per the need of the party to the contract is done in forward contract. The due date of contract falls on a specified day in a specified month of a year in future contract. Need not to be a member of exchanging house. If the member should not be a member of is not required to be a member of exchanging house in case of the forward contract, and in future contracts buyers or sellers of future contract place orders with exchange brokers or exchange members. No clearing house arrangement settlement is OTC and there are chances of counterparty failure as well in forward arrangement forward contract, and in future contract the settlement is done through clearing house. This arrangement safeguards the interest of the members against the failure of the counterparty. Margins. The bank may stipulate margin while entering into contract. The deposit of margin money by members is compulsory. Marking to market. No such adjustment of margin as per market quotation. Although the contracts are to be delivered on due date, the value of each outstanding contract is determined every day by reference to the closing quotation, and any excess or shortage is adjusted in margin on account of the concerned member.